It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George are having a picnic. Here's some orange juice for you, Teddy. What do you say? Thank you very much, Peppa. We are very welcome, Teddy. Here's some orange juice for you, Mr. Dinosaur. And what do you say? You are very welcome, Mr. Dinosaur. Would Teddy or Mr. Dinosaur like a cookie? We are not very hungry, so Peppa and George can eat all the cookies. Thank you, Teddy. What was that strong noise? Peppa, George, quick, come inside the house. Bobby, where was a loud bang? Bugs out its longer Peppa, it may there will be a thunderstorm with lots of rain. Quick into the house before the rain starts. No need to panic, the rain is still a long way off.